You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is indeed quite confusing. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary indeed in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as, in British English, photovoltaic, as in you're going to have solar panels, cells, power stations. Photo, the Americans will say photo with a T that sounds like a D, a flap T. Photo or photo. Vol, te, not ta, te, ek. Photovoltaic. Photovoltaic, or American pronunciation US, photovoltaic. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.